Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good and doing great. In today's video, I will show you 3 easy simple steps to create nude smoky eyes, and trust me, these kind of eyes eye makeup goes with every attire. If you're wearing sari or any crop top or anything, this will look so pretty. So quickly let's get jump into the video. As you guys have seen, I have used that good vibe toner, and now I'm using this Neutrogena gel boosting hydrating moisturizer, and trust me, this moisturizer is so good. I have applied it on my all over my face, and now I'm putting some lip balm to hydrate my lip. I'm using this orange corrector to cancel out the darkness around my eyes. I have really dark circles, so this orange corrector really helps me out to cancel out all the darkness, and after that my makeup stay in same color, because I have heard from you people as well that your makeup turn gray. So if you want to avoid that, this orange corrector gonna help you. And if you have acne problem, then use some green tint or green corrector. You can easily buy any green corrector from market. So I'll apply this orange corrector from my fingers only, and I'll just dab it, not drag it, otherwise वो हट जाएगा. Now for base on my eyelid, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty concealer, and trust me guys, this is the best, cheapest and really good concealer. I have heard that अभी ये इंटरनेट पे बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो रहा है, but I am using this from past 3 years and literally ये बहुत अच्छा है, and you will get it only for 200 or something, and this gives you a medium coverage. So now I will blend this concealer with the help of this damp beauty blender. Always remember, only dab this, not drag this. If you will drag the product, वो हटने लग जाएगा, and then you will not get the coverage you wanted. Now to set this, I'm gonna use this Kryolan loose powder on this powder brush. Just tap off the excess, and if you feel there are crease on your eyelid, just remove them with the help of your finger and just lock the entire thing you have done with the powder immediately. Now we will start our eye makeup. I'm taking this shading brush and this fluffy blending brush. So we will start off with this very light sort of nudish brown color. So for step number 1, I'll be creating a crease line on my eyelid, and I will blend it properly. And for the second step, I'm gonna use this kajal from Forever 52. So I will create a line near my lash bed, a very rough line with this kajal, because eventually I have to blend it all over my eyelid. So as you guys can see, I have created this line. I'm taking the shading brush and I have to blend it, and please blend it very quickly, because वो सूख जाएगा तो that will be very tough for you to blend out. So you guys can see I'm blending it and still it is in progress. So मुझे लग रहा है ये बहुत ज़्यादा light है, तो I'm adding a bit of kajal more. And make sure whenever you are adding more, add on lash bed, not over your lid, because we have to show the smoked out effect. So नीचे dark होना चाहिए and ऊपर जाते हुए वो light color में convert होना चाहिए. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. After blending the kajal, I will take the fluffy brush and I will try to merge both the colors so that it give you a smoked out effect, and stretch your eyebrow so that you can see proper eyelid, and blend it. Now I will take this very thin and flat brush, and I'm gonna take my dark brown color, because I'm doing the nude smoky eyes. And if you're doing classic smoky eyes, you can take the black color, but make sure you know how to blend it, otherwise panda eyes बन जाएंगी and you will regret it. So I will place this brown color जहाँ मैंने black काजल use करा था, and I will take that fluffy brush again and will try to merge all the colors which we have put it on the eyelid. So this was the third step and we are done with nude smoky eyes. And now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm taking the brown, light brown shade from the same palette and I will make my brows. You guys know how I do it because I have very bushy dark eyebrows, so I don't need much, but you guys can see the difference. And second one I did off camera. Yes, eyebrows are very important. Now I will do highlighting, and for that I'm using this fluffy flat brush, and from that very same palette I'll use this two shimmer colors. I'll mix them both and you guys can see a whole difference after highlighting. We guys seems to miss these few things and इन सब से ही look बहुत अच्छा निखर के आता है. And if you are doing makeup तो ये सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. And guys, for those जो सिर्फ 3 steps smoky eyes देखने आए हैं, I have done it. Now I'm doing my base. So if you guys wanna skip, you can skip because I have done this base in almost every my makeup video. So yeah, let's continue. So I'm using the same Swiss Beauty concealer for my eyes and for my whole face. So I will blend it in. Yeah, this I have done it. And make sure you don't forget your lips or your neck area. Drag that same beauty blender till your neck area. Now to lock everything in place, I will use this Kryolan powder with the powder brush and I will place some powder under my eyes and will eventually blend it. So now for blush, I am using this Kryolan blush palette, blush and contour palette. Firstly, I'll do the contour with this contour brush. I'm gonna use the brown, lightest brown shade for contouring. As you guys can see, I have a round face, so I need some of contouring. I don't do harsh contouring because I don't feel like doing it. That look very artificial, very fake. So I just do powder contouring little bit. I love Hoola bronzer as well, but right now I'm using this Kryolan. So on cheek contouring, blend upwards, and if you're doing contour near your jawline, always blend downwards so that it doesn't show up. And don't forget your chin area because as you guys can see, your girl has double chin. So I have to do contouring over there as well. See, it looks थोड़ा सा deeper अंदर की side. So for blush, I'm using the same palette and I'll pick these two light peachish color for blush. So whenever you do blush, always smile so that you get the perfect place to put blush on, and you guys can see how pretty it looks. It gives you a very fresh look. And one thing I'm gonna tell you, that please don't drag your blush till your nose. That look very bad. Always keep it at the back and see how it turns out. Now I will use the same Forever 52 kajal on my waterline and will do the tight lining with the same, and you guys can see how pretty it looks. Now for the drop shadow, I'm using this small brush and I'll use all the 3 brown shades which we earlier picked for our smoky eyes and try to merge both the colors of eyelid and drop shadow so that it doesn't look separate. See how big and beautiful my eyes are looking. I have added these falsies off camera and this is a game changer. You guys can see how beautiful my eyes are looking now. I'm gonna put some mascara so that my real lashes and falsies get merged, दोनों अलग अलग ना दिखे, and for my lower lash line as well. Now for lips, I'm using this Go Chick Faces Canada's Summer Ready Lip shade. This is a slightly pink nudish shade. So I'm putting this as a base on my lips and I'm gonna add another one because I think I have done brown, so I will go for monochromatic scheme. Not proper monochromatic, but yeah, I want some brown or some nude tone. So to add up that, I'm using this Unveil from Color Bar, and this is very pretty nude shade. And as you guys can see, now my lips are in sort of nude side shade. And as I don't want any focus on my lips, and you guys can see they are a little bit glossy, and I want something in matte, so I will use a tissue and try to take off all the gloss or shine it has. And अगर ये चीज़ काम ना करती तो I would have used powder से सारा shine चला जाता है. So yeah, you guys can see. Now we will fix this all up with this very favorite of mine, makeup fixer from PAC. Yes, it smells so good. Now if you want a natural glow, always use highlighter after fixer and you will see a very big difference. So now I'm gonna highlight all my face, starting off with the nose. I really like to put highlighter all over the place, so I will highlight my cheekbone, my nose, my chin, everywhere. And look at the glow. Oh my god, it looks so glowy, and highlighter doesn't move here and there, and you guys can see I am amazed with the glow. And this highlighter is also very good, cheap and good quality. And if you are wearing anything revealing or like this one shoulder top or off shoulder top, always put some glow or some highlighter onto your neck area, near your neck area, on these collarbones, shoulders, and yeah, voila, we are done. I mean, if it is showing, it should look good. So yes, we are done with this video. If you recreate this look, do tag me or send me your pictures on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.